Hello, welcome to 780 Union Street. This is a beautiful two-bedroom condo located just a block or so to Washington Square and many fantastic restaurants. Okay, let's step inside the building here. This unit comes with two-car parking, a private deck, as well as a shared rooftop deck. There's a little bit of storage and laundry in the garage as well. Okay, so here we are in the unit. There are two bedrooms here. The first bedroom is located on the street. This is a very large bedroom. There are double pane windows, so it is very quiet. This is a decorative fireplace. The bedrooms are separated by frosted French doors. Here's the closet for this room. And this faces south, so you get a lot of natural light. And again, here's the view from this front bedroom. Okay, let's take a look at this second bedroom here. You actually have two entrances, one through the hallway. This allows for lots of natural light while giving you privacy. This has a nice, good-sized closet in here as well. It goes all the way back here. So plenty of storage space in this unit. Okay. Down the hall just a little bit, there's a front door to the left. Here's the full bath. You have a tub and shower combined, toilet, sink, vanity, nice sliding glass door. Okay, living room. This is a really nice living room. It has direct access to a private deck. And it is open to the kitchen, so perfect for entertaining and a lovely floor plan. There's bar stool seating here, and this back door is the second egress, and it takes you to the rooftop deck as well. Okay, just an amazing space. You have a gas range, microwave. This is a new vintage brand. There is a dishwasher, granite counters, just a fantastic layout. This unit does have two-car tandem parking, laundry downstairs, storage, and here we are on your private deck. There is a shared rooftop deck as well. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks.